Welcome. This episode we will be building part 1-46C Injector Water Spindle for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-46C Injector Water Spindle. Let's open up the template. Okay, so let's do right side. No particular reason for this one. Circle, smart dimension. That's going to be 16. Oh, do my second circle. Smart dimension. 16. And that's going to be 29 screwed. 29 and done. Okay, so now let me put some color to this. Polish gold, that'd be nice. Ooh. Okay, something different. Let me go sketch on that end. We want another circle. It's going to be there. That's going to be 8mm diameter. And that's going to be 203 long. So feature, screwed, 203, done. Zoom out, there we go. Yep, looking good. Now this one again. Oh, sketch, circle. All circles? Yeah, all circles. That's going to be 5mm. And that's going to extrude 9mm. Oh, not 9 divide, just 9. There we go. And on the end of that will be, let me save that, will be thread M5. M5, there we go. So start down there. Go to that one. Come on. Come on. Thank you. And there. And done. There we go. One beautiful thread. Okay, let me do that one. Now we want, actually probably go side plane on this one. Normal 2. Sketch. We want a hole of 8mm. Make sure it doesn't click on there, but it's halfway, so that's fine there. That's going to be 8mm. That's going to be 20mm. That should be it. Lock those two together. There we go, that's it. Yeah, that's going to extrude through. Going to extrude through the whole thing. Get out there, thank you. Feature, extrude, through all, direction 2, through all, direction 2, direction 2, direction 2, thank you. And okay. There we go, that's through, beautiful. Now we need a hole this end too. You know what, that's terrible material. Very hard to see. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Might look fine when it's finished, but yeah, not why I try and draw some of those hard to see, so I do apologize on that. Okay, so this end here, we want a circle. And that's going to be 8mm. Oh, same size, the other one, cool. What's that sound, buddy? 8mm. And that's going to go in depth of 20, because it's going to go halfway through there. So that should take out. They should fit in there perfectly. Where are we? Extrude 20. There we go. Perfect. And done. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so nothing else on there. Nope, that is it. That is part 1-46C, Injector Water Spindle done. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, do subscribe. It does help me out. I do appreciate it. And leave in comments below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.